1996 it was that a team from Motorola and from Siemens had decided to collaborate and do a joint venture on building what's called a semiconductor fab. We got a little creative because we really wanted this project. We had a site we knew that worked. We had the infrastructure we knew that worked for them. When we set up White Oak Tech Park, we made sure that the water capacity was there and the sewer capacity was there. And another player that we worked closely with on the private side was Dominion Energy. Dominion sort of stepped in and partnered with us to make sure that power was at White Oak Tech Park. They help us bring in power, set up substations, and make sure that the electric power is in place. They had a huge facility. Their requirements had some very high demands for water and sewer. They wanted a 2-lane road access to the site. We provided them a 4-lane road, a divided median. So we wanted it to be a Class A location. We have one of the best fiber optic networks in the world, which is important to the large international companies. If they've got a plant in Singapore or some other location around the world, they can reach those locations in milliseconds. Henrico County Schools really stepped up. What they did was develop a program for the German nationals coming over, relocating, and that program was to help their children to create classes in the German language so the children could be taught math and science and programming or whatever in their native language. There's also the colleges and universities. We have an engineering school here at Virginia Commonwealth University, as well as one at Virginia Tech. They were relocating workers from other areas, and they said that a lot of their employees at other sites were raising their hands, wanted to come to Richmond, Virginia. Virginia Alliance for Semiconductor Technology, the government has put that in place, and it's headed up by Virginia Tech and the engineering school there. FAST will bring together industry and university partners to sort of create a workforce development opportunities around the Commonwealth. VCU is no stranger to the semiconductor industry. They do have a laboratory on site where they are able to duplicate some of the equipment actually used in the semiconductor industry, so students get actual hands-on experience. We're a AAA bond-rated county for 20 years plus, and there's a reason for that. We have great management, great leadership at the county level, and they make sure that we've got a business environment that's strong to support the semiconductor industry.